while we would do this, would you play the Gummy Bear song?
No, you can play it on your own.
No,
Maybe
I mean
in real life.
I'm in person. I mean.
Maybe, yeah. So we're on the Gummy Bear Conversions. Hopefully it's opening up for you. When it does, I'm going to put in some numbers. We're going to do the green one together. So let's say, will it type? Here we go. Let's say you have a pack of gummy bears and there are 6 green, and total there are 14 gummy bears of different colors. So 6 of them are green, and in total you have 14. We need to make this a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. Okay, so we have 6 green and 14 total. Okay, I'm going to go back to my thing and do this one on the board. We'll fill it out after, and then I'm going to give you guys the numbers for the other ones.
Michelle?
Yeah.
Why didn't you wait until next week?
Because this isn't the standard we're doing next week.
Why?
Sorry. Now, 6 green, 14 total. To make a fraction, you're going to do the number of colors, like the number of the color that you want, over the total. So in this case, it's green over the total. So green gummy bears over the total. So if we were to write that as a fraction, how many green gummy bears are there?
6 over 14.
6 over the total amount of 14. But my fraction is not done. What is wrong with this fraction?
Simplify.
We can simplify it. What number goes into both 6 and 14?
2.
2. What is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. And what's 14 divided by 2?
7.
7. So our fraction, I'm going to write it over here. The fraction that we're going to type in is 3/7. Then we need to change this to a decimal. We just did this. How do I change a fraction, 3/7, to a decimal?
You have to divide 3. Oh, you have to divide 7 divided by 3, or 3 divided
by 7. So we're going to take the number 3 and divide it by 7. Does 7 go into 3?
No, but it goes into 30.
It's not going to 3, so we need to add our decimal and a 0. If you add a decimal, bring it straight up. Don't forget that. Doesn't go into 3, but it does go into 30. How many times? Yes is like. How many times?
4.
4, yeah. So that's 28 minus. Okay, let's go out another one and see what we get. How many times does 7 go into 20? 2. And you get 14, subtract and get 6. Add another 0 and see what happens. I think this is one that's just going to keep going and going and going. So let's do one more and we'll stop. How many times does 7 go into 60? 8 times. And you get 56. 40. Yeah, this one is just going to keep going and going and going. So we're not going to keep going out for our decimal. So our decimal here is 428 thousandths, 0.428.
We should put like something that makes it like a dot dot dot. We should put dot 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 after that.
That's not how decimals work, though.
But like it's dot dot dot.
Like, wait, why do you have to have the decimal?
Yeah, because if it didn't have a decimal, it'd be 428.
But what if they were looking for a 428%?
Then.
Oh yeah, that makes sense now.
Yeah. All right. So now we need to change our decimal 4.428 to a percent. I have my decimal already right here on top. I'm going to do my work right here. I need to move it how many times?
You need to move it 2 times.
2 times. Always twice. Am I going to move it to the left this way or to the right?
To the right.
To the right. We're going to go 1, 2, and it ends up between the 2 and the 8. So it's 42.8% on that one. Okay.
Can we just put 42%?
Nope, because then you're leaving off this 0.8. It's still there. You can't leave it off.
That'd be like whatever, whatever, 7 goes into 40 equals, and we have to put that there too.
Yeah. So I'm going to present my screen and type this in, and then I'm going to give you guys the numbers for the other 3 problems there and let you guys work for a few minutes. So our fraction on this one was 3/7. Our decimal is 0.428, and our percent 42.8.
Do we type these out? These ones too?
Yeah, you can type these ones. So that's for our green one. I'm going to give you guys the numbers that you're going to use for orange, red, and yellow. Okay?
Let's do 2 for orange.
I'm
What about
going to give it to you in a second.
So the first
What about
one.
white?
No.
Are you gonna give us
Yeah.
number for white?
6.
No, because that's not on the slide.
Yeah, there is. On the second slide. Look,
Oh,
it's camouflage.
we're going to make that black.
Who would eat a black gummy bear?
Well, I meant the writing. I'm going to make the writing black.
Oh, I was like,
I know.
I didn't realize that there was one there because it was white.
that'd be
Okay,
called a burnt gummy bear.
Yeah,
For orange, let's
I'm
say
sorry.
we have
gummy bears.
4 orange and 10 total on that one. So you guys will work on that. 4 orange, 10 total. Type that in so I can go to the next slide. Type that into yours.
Type what into what?
The orange ones. So
Done.
there's 4 orange and 10 total.
Ms. Jones, how about we have the same total on all of them?
Nah, that makes it too easy.
It does?
Yep. I'm going to make it harder for you guys. Give you guys different
Okay.
numbers to work with.
We just started this week.
You'll be okay. Okay, so 4 and 10. Are we good on that one? Can I go to the next slide?
No,
Yeah.
I'm still typing out the answers.
Okay, I'll give you a minute.
How do you make a percentage? Never
You
mind.
do shift 5.
There, I found it.
Yep.
And then what's for the wait? So for the orange ones, are those the answers too?
No, I'm giving you the number of orange and I'm giving you the total and you need to change it to a fraction, decimal, and a percent.
Okay.
Okay, so 4 orange with 10 total gummy bears in the pile.
Can we do one of these on our with you one more time?
Sure, we'll do that one with me, but let's go type in the other ones first. Okay, so hopefully you have the orange. For red, let's say you have 8 red and 16 total. Okay, 8 red, 16 total.
I can see the white.
You don't have to change it on yours then.
Yeah, I can just see it. If I move my head in a certain direction, I can see it.
There you go. For white, let's say you have 5 white gummy bears, but 20 total gummy bears.
So What I don't get is how to make it a fraction like this.
You put the number of the color you're looking for on the top and the total amount on the bottom.
So that's the fraction, and then the decimal, you have to
Divide.
divide, and then for the percent, that's the
Moving the decimal.
That's easy.
For yellow, let's do 9
How about we do
yellow.
make up our own? Can we make up our own on the yellow one?
No, because I have to go check these answers, and I don't want to have like 80 different numbers.
Okay.
Yeah. So 9 yellow with 12 total. Okay, so make sure you fill out this one. Okay, get these filled out. Would you guys
Can I
like
start
me?
working on it?
Yeah. Would you guys like me to do one more with you?
No, I was asking you to do the orange one because I forgot how to do it.
So you think you're good?
Yeah.
How did
Anybody
you?
else? You go to the first slide.
Wait, then how did you get the fraction of 3/7?
We simplified our fraction.
Oh,
Kaylin, what was your answer or question?
Can you go back up to the first slide?
Yeah. Oh. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna have you guys finish this on your own. One of the things I'm noticing though is that when I tell you guys to go finish things on your own, you don't. That's affecting a lot of your guys' grades. So make sure that you actually go finish the things I ask you to finish, whether it's on the
Am I
reading.
doing it on my own when you ask me?
Are you doing the things I ask?
Well, the video didn't come up for yesterday, so not yet.
I'm pretty sure I posted all the videos for yesterday.
I mean, like before. No, I mean like before this time today.
Oh. Yeah, it's still loading probably. But I'm just saying, in general, when I ask you to go finish something after class, a lot of you guys are not going to finish it, which means that you never go back and finish it, which means that in your grade, there are lots of zeros. So you need to make sure you're going back and finishing these things, especially because right now, we are pretty much out of time, and I'm going to tell you to go work on something on your own that's a grade. So you need to make sure you do it. So first off, you need to finish this conversions with gummy bears. So finish these 2 slides. And then real quick, look over at my screen because we have a new Google Classroom assignment that posted. So under math again, you have conversions independent practice. There's 10 questions here that just asks you to convert different things to different things. So fraction to decimal, decimal to fraction, percent to fraction. So it's a lot of different questions on that. There's 10. It's out of 10 points. So there's 2 things you need to go finish right now. The Gummy Bear Google Slides and then the Google form with conversions. Capiche? Sound good?
yep.
All right.
Can you go back on hook?